Wonderful! Time for a celebration!
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
Why shouldn't you put a toaster in a toaster full of water?
Because your toast would get...
I am the man. Hold up. No, I ain't.
Hey, Patches, have you seen Olive? Like, but you turned Olive into a pie! Why would you turn him into a pie?
My pants! No! I need them back! No! What the fuck? No, you didn't. No! My pants! No! What the fuck?
I'm not a pie.
Right, I've been thinking. When life gives you lemons, don't make you lemons. Make you lemons. Take the lemons back. Give you lemons. I don't want your damn lemons. What am I supposed to do with these? Demand to see life's lemons? What? Make life rue the day it thought it could give lemons? Johnson lemons. Do you know who I am? I'm the man who's gonna burn your lemons down with the lemons. I'm gonna get my lemons to invent a combustible lemon that burns your house down.
Bananas!
Fucking little fat squeaker little cunt, mate. You're a fucking little squeaky bastard. You fucking stupid dumbass kid. Fuck you. Fucking prick. Fuck off.